If you use Roku, chances are you're only using about 20% of its potential. That's right. Hidden inside Roku are secret hacks and features that most people don't know about. With these features, you can watch free movies, control your Roku without a remote, mirror your phone screen to your TV, and make your streaming experience so much more powerful. And here's the most interesting part. Some of these tricks are so useful that once you know them, you'll start using your Roku in a completely different way. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 powerful Roku hacks that every user should know, but pay close attention, because the last hacks are the most useful. If you use Roku, you're probably just using the basics. It's watching movies, opening YouTube, using Netflix, and that's it. But Roku also has some clever tricks and hidden features that most people don't even know exist. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 powerful Roku hacks that can completely change your streaming experience. We're going to cover 8 useful tricks, so let's get started. Hack number 1. Private listening mode. Have you ever wanted to watch a movie late at night but didn't want to disturb people in your house? Or maybe you just can't turn the TV volume up very loud. This is where a hidden Roku feature called private listening mode comes in. With this feature, you can listen to the TV's audio directly through your headphones. And the best part is, you don't need any extra gadgets. There are 2 ways to use it. The first is with the Roku mobile app. Just install the Roku app on your phone and connect it to your Roku device. Inside the app, you'll see a headphone icon. When you tap it, all the TV audio will be sent directly to the headphones connected to your phone. The second way is available on some Roku remotes that already have a built-in headphone jack. If your remote has this port, simply plug in your headphones, and the TV will automatically switch to private listening mode. This feature is especially useful for watching shows or movies at night without bothering anyone. Hack number 2. Hidden secret menu. Very few people know that Roku also has a secret menu. This menu isn't normally visible, but you can open it with a special combination of buttons on your remote. Inside this menu, you'll find system information, network details, and advanced settings. To open it, press this sequence on your Roku remote. The home button 5 times, fast forward 3 times, and rewind twice. After pressing this sequence, a hidden screen will appear where you can see detailed system information about your Roku. From there, you can check the device's temperature, internet connection details, and other technical info. If you feel like your Roku is running slow or you're having buffering issues, this menu can be very helpful for diagnostics and troubleshooting. Hack number 3. Use Roku without a remote. If you ever lose your Roku remote or the batteries die, you don't need to panic. You can control your Roku without the remote. Just install the Roku mobile app on your phone. When you open the app, it will automatically detect any Roku devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You'll then have access to a virtual remote right from your phone. This virtual remote includes almost all the buttons: home, back, volume, navigation, everything. Plus, inside the app, there's another very useful feature called voice search. You can search for movies or shows just by speaking. For example, if you say action movies, Roku will show related results from different streaming apps. This means that even if you lose the remote, your Roku is still perfectly usable. Hack number 4. Free movies and live TV channels. Many people use Roku just for Netflix or other paid subscriptions, but you can also find a lot of free content. Roku has its own platform called the Roku channel. On this platform, you'll find hundreds of free movies and TV shows. There are also live TV channels available. You can watch news, reality shows, documentaries, and classic movies without paying anything. Just go to the Roku home screen and open the Roku channel. There you can browse content by different categories. If you want free entertainment without paying a monthly subscription, you should definitely check this feature out. Those were 4 powerful Roku hacks every user should know. In the next part of the video, I am going to show you 4 more advanced level hacks so you can get the most out of your Roku device, full potential. Hack number 5. Mirror the screen from your phone. Sometimes you have a video, a photo album, or a presentation on your phone that you want to see on the big TV screen. The problem is usually that you need cables or a complicated setup. With Roku, you don't need any of that. Roku has a built-in feature called screen mirroring. With this feature, you can mirror your smartphone's screen directly to the TV. If you use an Android phone, the process is even simpler. First, make sure your phone and your Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to your phone settings and look for the screencast or smart view option. On different phones, it might have different names like cast, wireless display, or screen share. When you open that option, you'll see a list of nearby devices. Your Roku device will appear on that list. Just tap on the Roku device, and in a few seconds, your phone's screen will show up on the TV. Everything you do on the phone will also appear on the TV. You can play videos, show photos, or even play mobile games on the big screen. If you use an iPhone, some Roku devices also support AirPlay. This means you can also easily share your screen from an iPhone. This feature is especially useful when you want to share photos and videos with friends or family. Hack number 6. Rearrange and organize your channels. If you've been using Roku for a while, you probably have a lot of apps or channels on your home screen. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and many other streaming apps. Over time, the list gets so long that sometimes finding your favorite app takes more time. Roku lets you completely customize your home screen. You can rearrange channels, delete unnecessary apps, and keep your screen cleaner and more organized. The process is very simple. Use your Roku remote to highlight any channel. Then press the star button on the remote. That button usually has an asterisk symbol. Pressing it will open an options menu. There you'll find the Move Channel option. When you select that option, you can move the app to any position on the screen. For example, if you use YouTube and Netflix most often, you can place them at the top of the list. That way, every time you open Roku, your most used apps will appear first. The same menu, you'll also find the Remove Channel option, which lets you delete apps you no longer use. This small trick makes the Roku interface much cleaner and easier to use. Hack number 7. Search across multiple streaming apps. Sometimes you want to watch a specific movie, but you don't know which streaming platform it's available on. So you start opening Netflix, then Prime Video, then another app, and search in each one. That process can be pretty annoying. Roku has a smart solution for this. It's the Universal Search feature. With this feature, you can search for content across multiple streaming services at the same time. For example, if you search for a movie, Roku automatically checks which apps it's available on. Then it shows you the results. In some cases, Roku also tells you on which service it's available for free and on which one you need to rent or buy it. This saves you a lot of time. To use the search, just go to the Roku home screen and open the search option. There you can type the name of the movie or use voice search if your remote has a microphone button. After searching, Roku will display the results from different streaming platforms on a single screen. This feature is very useful for people who have multiple streaming subscriptions. Hack number 8. Reboot Roku without unplugging it. Sometimes your Roku device can become slow. Apps don't load correctly. Streaming starts to lag or buffer. Many people in this situation unplug the Roku device from the TV and plug it back in. But Roku also has a software reboot option that lets you restart the device without touching any cables. To do this, go to the Roku home screen. Open Settings. Then go into System. Then open the Power section. There you will find the System Restart option. When you select that option, Roku will restart automatically. After the reboot, many performance issues are usually fixed and the device goes back to running normally. There is also a hidden remote control shortcut that can restart Roku. Press this sequence on the remote. The home button 5 times, the up arrow once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. In a few seconds, Roku will automatically start the reboot process. This trick is very useful when Roku freezes or becomes sluggish. Those are the other 4 powerful Roku hacks that every user should know. If you use these 8 tricks, you can make the most of your Roku device and make your streaming experience much smoother and more convenient. Well, if you like these kinds of tech tricks and hacks for smart devices, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you want, in the next video we can explore more secret codes and advanced Roku features that most people do and know about.
Thanks for watching.